Here I have Motorola G31, and today I'm going to show you how to enter Fastboot mode on this device. So firstly you have to turn off your device, and after it turns off completely you have to hold down combination of keys, power key and volume down at the same time for a couple of seconds like this. Then you will end up in this kind of menu. Here in this menu, using volume keys to navigate and power key to select, you have to select an option recovery mode. Then when this kind of laying down Android robot appears, you have to hold down power key and press volume up once. In the following menu, just like in the previous, using volume keys to navigate and power key to select, you have to select the third option, enter Fastboot, and after that you'll end up in a Fastboot mode. Here you can use volume keys to navigate to and power key to select, and here you have such options as Reboot System Now, Enter Recovery, Reboot to Bootloader, and Power Off. So Power Off option just turn off your device, a Reboot System Now restarts it, Enter Recovery turns you back into the previous menu, and Reboot to Bootloader turns you back to the first menu. So let's just restart our device, and it will be restarted as usual. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.